how to see who's viewing your profile on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top and tap on the viewer history icon as shown. Then, tap on Turn On at the bottom to turn on viewer history. From here you can see the people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. Then, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. You can turn it back off anytime. Following these steps, you can easily see who's viewing your profile on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.